Okay, welcome to Dave's Shed. I just wanted to carry on. I've created that other video with a little Christmas hanging with just a single tool, just a saw. So I'll create a link in the description below for that. I just wanted to show you that you can make an interesting project with just one tool. This one you need to have two tools because you need to have a saw will do, just a hand saw will be enough. And you'll need to have a drill. Could be just this is a cordless drill. Doesn't have to be cordless, but you will need a drill, and you'll need to have a Forstner bit. So this is a 4mm Forstner bit, and that's all you need. So these projects just couldn't be simpler. They're little Christmas projects that, as I say, need very few tools. I've just got a little Christmas decoration that I bought at the $2 reject shop, and then what I've done here is I've simply glued two pieces of wood together. So just glue those together, place a weight on it while the glue sets, and then with the saw I've just cut grooves in there to sit the decoration, and then using the Forstner bit I've just cut some seats, some holes in there that don't go part the way through. Hopefully you can see that. And then I've just brought some tea light candles to sit in there. This little decoration just sits in those grooves, and bingo, you've got yourself a Christmas decoration. I've spray painted it silver because it's a Christmas decoration, and super easy, doesn't need much at all. This one here, full disclosure, I did actually use a power saw and a drill press to drill these, but that's not necessary at all. This one here was actually pallet wood that I've processed. It was my first go at actually I just wanted to experiment processing some pallet wood. So then I thought, well, I might as well make something out of that wood. So that's what I've got there. Hopefully you can get hold of some dressed pine or something, or some offcuts, so that you can make that yourself. It's simply glued together. Hopefully you can see that's very simple construction. And then I've just gone along with that Forstner bit, drilling holes through the top piece so that those little candles can sit in there. And then we've just used that as a again, I've spray painted it silver and used it as a Christmas decoration, but you could just use it as a table decoration. And perhaps I don't recommend spray painting it silver, by the way, because it tends to show up every sort of little defect. But we wanted a Christmas decoration, so hence everything was spray painted silver. But you could maybe put some other finish on that and just use it as a table decoration. So really simple projects. You don't need a lot of tools, and that's something you can use for Christmas. So hopefully you found that useful, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.